Today in Granny's Kitchen, we're going to make lemon yoghurt cake. For this recipe, we need 260 grams of flour, 2 eggs. We need 125 grams of Greek natural yogurt, 70 mils of sunflower oil, and I've actually just used my gin measure to get the 70 mils measured out. And it's 2 unwaxed lemons. That's most important. When you get your lemons, make sure they're unwaxed, give them a really good wash, and then all we need from this is the rind. So we're going to zest those lemons just at the fine part of your grater. And it gives a very subtle lemon flavour to this cake. And because there's no butter in it, only the light sunflower oil and the natural yogurt, it's actually a very light cake. You don't actually get very much, but it does add quite a nice flavour to the cake. I'm going to beat the 2 eggs. I like to just put them in a jug first of all, so I can check there's no shell. That's perfect. Okay. I'm just going to put in 4 tablespoons of caster sugar. And I'll whip that with the eggs again. Now, once you've mixed that, you're going to stir in the sunflower oil. It's full fat natural yogurt. It doesn't work so well with a 0 fat or a low fat yogurt. So you could virtually use any yogurt. This is just a plain yogurt because there's quite a lot of lemon flavour in this. Okay. In this, I'm now going to sift the flour, already measured out. And it's self-raising flour, 260 grams. So I'll just put that into the bowl. You can add a pinch of salt if you wish. And we are going to take our egg mixture and our lemon zest and just mix all this up. Now, I've already lined a 2-pound loaf tin. So once this is all mixed together, I'll add it to the loaf tin and I'll bake this in the oven for about 40 minutes at 180. Okay, so that looks nice and smooth now. Just pop that into the lined loaf tin. Now, sometimes I do 2 of these together because I've got the oven heating, so it seems a waste just adding it, 1 cake. So I tend to do 2 or 3 cakes at the same time. Right, so I'm going to pop that in the oven at 180 for about 40 minutes, middle of oven. After 40 minutes, remove your lemon yoghurt cake from the oven and leave that to cool. I'll take it out of the tin. And when it cools, I could make it like a lemon drizzle cake. I could make holes in this and pour in some sugar and lemon juice, or I could ice it with icing made with icing sugar and lemon juice, or just have it plain as it is. But it is looking fine and it's cooked all the way through.